welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Chef David and Buster. Today we're going to make a Hawaiian favorite, SPAM MUSUBI. Alright, let's start cooking. These are ingredients: seaweed sheets, furikake seasoning, canned Spam, and I have cooked rice in my rice cooker ready to go. First we're going to cut the Spam into perfect slices, then we're going to saute, and then we'll get rolling. I have this handy dandy Spam slicer on Amazon. You can get it for slicing Spam. There you go. Nice and perfectly sliced. Ready to go. Now we're going to get our pan ready, and then we're going to start sauteing our Spam off. I like to use about a tablespoon of butter. And throw the Spam in. Spam is popping on the inside, and the more cooked ones on the outside. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Just want to get a nice color on each side. You don't want to burn it. For all you people that hate Spam, sorry, but this is one of our favorite foods in Hawaii. Heck, you'd even get this on the golf course up there in Hawaii. At the clubhouse, they would sell them. Almost there, a little bit longer. And then we're ready to go. Now we're going to make a couple different varieties of this musubi. I'm gonna do the traditional way, and then I'm going to do sushi style. All right, there we go. That's what I'm looking for. Okay, get these out to the ends. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to put it on a plate and be ready to go. There you go. All sauteed, ready to go. Now while we're here, we're going to season with a little pepper. I'm not going to really do it with salt because there's a lot of sodium in Spam already. But pepper, definitely. So we're going to cut these into strips. These are the ones that we're going to do sushi style. Get that all ready. You always want to put the shiny side down. You want to dampen your hands. Make a nice rice bowl. You just want to spread the rice out evenly. Dampen your hands if you need to, if the rice gets too sticky for you. Alright, then we're going to take putting about 3 sliced pieces in there. Do a little furikake, and then all you're gonna do is roll it over. Just keep on rolling it, forming it at the same time. should have a perfect roll. Later on we'll trim the edges, but I'll make a couple more just like that. Rice ball. You never want to smash down on the rice because you want to be able to see the grain. You don't want just a sheet of rice. Another perfect roll. Let's make another one. Another easy trick you can do on your bamboo sheet instead of worrying about rice falling between the bamboo. You can put your mat in a gallon Ziploc bag, and it fits perfectly. And then you don't have to worry about cleaning your mat after either. So you want about that much gap, little over an inch gap in the seaweed from the rice. There you go. 3 more. There you go. All you're doing is folding this over, and then you're tucking it in. Tuck it in a little bit. Then you're going to roll a little bit. Tuck, roll, tuck, roll, tuck, roll, tuck, roll, tuck, roll, tuck, and roll. There you go. Same thing. A little water. Keep the rice from sticking to my hands. Okay. Take one of these pieces. Now this one, you want it squared. So you're going to put one here. Boom. Then you're going to pull this over. Boom. Just like that. There you have a nice musubi. So now we're going to trim these. Now we're going to cut it. Always cut it in the middle first. Made a bunch of musubis for my wife. There you go, SPAM MUSUBI, sushi style. Buster is clanging his pan in the background. Now we take our regular musubi, put it in our saran wrap, roll it. Regular musubi, roll it. There you go. Now wrap the rest, and we'll be done. All right, there's all our musubi all wrapped up, ready to go. Now we got snacks. My wife's got some lunch. I got some lunch. Perfect. Anyway, there you go, regular musubi and sushi style musubi. I'd rather do the sushi style musubi. It's so much faster, easy to go. You just roll, tuck and roll. But they also make those little boxes that you can put the sheet in, put the rice down, put the Spam, put more rice, and then cover it. My daughter uses that all the time. But me, I'd rather just roll them. It makes it a lot easier. Hope you enjoyed this, another island favorite. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell, and we'll see what we come up on the next one. Mahalo for watching. Aloha.